making his way to the ring, from parts unknown, Troy Falcon.
Oh, the WWE Universe letting them hear it.
Approaching the ring, from Brooklyn, New York, at Velcro.
Well, the WWE Universe sure isn't shy about sharing their feelings about this superstar.
Washington, D.C., the Hitman.
Wow, listen to that reaction. And King, remember, triple threat rules. Falcon. Oh! Nice move! Oh, out of nowhere! Oh, and he lands that one right to the head. Countered by the Dominator. These no DQ matches are so dangerous. And that was broken up before it could land. Oh, after that, you're not seeing stars, you're looking at constellations. Do this. Wow, I don't know if this arena can take another impact like that. That'll put your lights out quick.
things are about to get ugly.
The big boot connects. Down. What a shot. Wow.
There's the counter by Falcon. The natural with the advantage after that exchange.
These no DQ matches are so dangerous.
What kind of devastation will we see now?
I don't know, but I think we're about to find out. Hey! The natural might know every count, every move.
He is slowly getting dissected.
This won't make any friends. You can see the pain shoot through the superstar's body off that slam.
And the Dominator counters it.
Great reversal. The table's been broken in half, and so has his opponent.
And the knuckles connect. And he's checking under the apron for something that can aid him in this no disqualification match.
Oh, it might be time to run.
Never ever underestimate the sheer force behind this super's big shot to the stomach.
You might be hearing music now. Wow. Oh, right off the skull. Oh, my God.
And this is going to return to the ring.
He was one step ahead on that one. Oh, what's he got in mind? Oh, hey, nice reversal.
What a move. He's not exactly hopping up to his feet here.
Whoa, what do you expect, Michael? Did you see what just happened? What's he gonna do here? What's he gonna do here?
And he gets back in the ring.
Reversal.
Oh no, right on the steps.
Oh man, that's gotta hurt. Uh-oh.
The steps come into play, making that move even more destructive.
Great move. Oh, did you see that hip snap back?
Oh, back to the head, back to the temple.
I don't know how much more damage he can take.
And what will it take to finish off the natural? What a competitor.
This reversal there.
And once again, the trash can wraps around his body. How do you even walk after a shot like that?
Look at this. That's it. He's done. Wow, look at that, Cole. Now that's taking someone down. And there's the reversal. He's in a world of trouble. Much more of this, and I doubt he'll be able to continue. Come on, put that down. That was a heavy shot.
Using the steps as a weapon. He almost took his head off with that lariat.
Uh-oh.
Trying to put him away. Oh, you do not get up from that.
Falcon got blasted.
The quick kick.
I don't know how much longer he's going to be able to go. Whoa!
He's measuring.
Good grief! Look at this. He's holding onto that trash can again. Man, that was a vicious elbow drop.
That'll leave a mark.
Oh, reversal. Oh, no!
And that's a hard landing to the outside.
Big elbow. Wow, that might have broken his jaw. Countered by the Dominator. Oh, wow. Oh, did you see the force behind that? Here we go. Outside of the ring. And there are no countouts in this match.
practically feel the wear and tear that's been done throughout this match.
This match has taken so much out of this guy. He's not gonna...
Oh no, look at those eyes. Evil thoughts have to be running through his mind. You can see him struggling to stand after all the damage he's taken. Falcon.
I'm not sure if he knows where he is right now. On that table, not where you want to be. That's it. I'm getting out of here.
Oh no, the table imploded from the impact. A thunderous Irish whip into the barrier. And the Dominator counters it.
What a vicious chop. Reversal. Oh man, I think that cracked the ring post.
And Falcon comes up with a great counter.
Let me remind everybody, there are no countouts. These competitors can stay out here as long as they like. Look at this. Somehow he's still going. Oh no. Wait a minute, Cole. What's he going to do here?
Things are about to get ugly.
Back into the ring now.
And he's heading back in. Oh my! He's setting up. We might be seeing the beginning